So my first ingredient would be the moringa powder. I'm gonna get 2 scoops of the moringa powder and put it on my bowl.
So our next ingredient will be egg. And the measurement depends on how much people you are using it for. If you enjoy watching this video, please consider pressing that like button and why not subscribe to our channel. Now our last ingredient will be castor oil. So these are all the ingredients we need. Now we're going to mix it up a little bit before we add some water. Now it is time to add some water. The only reason why we are adding water is because it's a little thick. Here are some benefits of using moringa powder, eggs, and castor oil. After mixing this well, we will put it in our hair for 20 to 30 minutes.